They say that a resistance fighter, which is the Biafra Liberation Army, and they say today, the Nigeria Army carried their armor tanker enter inside their own camp again. So they carry and give ground as that one they happen. I see contour say many of them today buy and many carry their leg for head waka run. That's the things that happen. A lot of things are happening inside Biafra land. But however, we will still go look how the thing take they happen. Most see the update our people. Maybe they know what thing they go on. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Which is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We see they here they bring updates back to back as they hot. Don't be smart, you know. They say things that happen on us. Say what thing they happen. They say hi. They say that the Biafra Resistance Fighter and Liberation Army don't neutralize another armor tanker today. Now can say, hey, this one no be smart, you know. But why Channel TV and other Geria TV, you know, they show this thing. Now they say narrow bafo. Yeah, benala. But however, let's listen to this Biafra Liberation Army before we go come back or continue.
Good evening, good evening, good evening to only the lovers of freedom and the good Biafrans, good citizens of Biafrans. Good evening. I know you people have been waiting for me to get the update since. I'm here to give you update. Invite your friends and your loved one. Let them gather. Firstly, that this war is going to be beyond their imagination. They can never win this war. They will never ever go close to half to say, hey, we try even half to win. Before then came, we knew that they are coming. And we also knew that serious modern facility, the war, the arsenal was given to them by UK. And many machinery was, hired. And within them, they have gathered in their darkened dark and conclude that indeed the war will not, we will not last, reach 3 days, they will wipe us out. And they came with all their equipment, latest technology of weapon of war, with all their machinery hired, with all their guns and bullets. I'm still here to ask them, how far? Your citizens, Nigerians, are going hungry. Your dollars is falling. Man, your naira is falling. Your citizens hungry won't kill them. A little money that you could have used to better their life, you have wasted for the war material just to come with a mind to defeat Biafrans. Which over your dead body you can never defeat them. Who lost? I hope you are hearing the score. Tinubu, I hope that I've given you report. Oh my goodness me. Ask them question. Can you people see defeat these people? Ask them question or ask them again. Oh, if you withdraw them now, or you see allow those who go see come and die to come and die. If you will see keep on wasting your money. This is why your newspaper doesn't want to carry the news. That lose him. How many are there now? How many armor tank break down? How many people die? How many have been at hospital? How much have you wasted? The waste of money, waste of resources, waste of time, waste of life, and waste of energy. You don't understand. This morning you started by throwing bomb. You throw 2 bombs and your men came. You call for fighter jet. Fighter jet give you back report that don't you know that yesterday that they fly angels of God and Michael strike and came. Say he cannot fly again. May you find your way. And you say let you just come and try. As you put your head, you collect. You lost one more tanga today. Since that morning as 8 o'clock, your body rests. Since that 8 till this night. Now like this you go take fight for 1 month. I think the way where you take come, you wanted to day and night, go steady. Where are your backup? I'm not saying your backup. What will kill you people is greater than you people. Why do you come to kill us? What is our crime? We are in our land, oh. And we told you, we don't want to be Nigeria. We are not Nigerians. And you say that by force. Force us now, come and force us. Come and force us. Blood is not running in your vein, abi? Bullet no dey follow enter your body. I told you that no matter the juju where you carry come our land, once they enter the land of Biafra, the breeze of Biafra land blow their body, the sun touches their body, their leg touches the ground of the land of Biafra. Nah. And then drink water, that juju don't neutralize. You think I was joking? You think I was joking? You think I was joking? You cannot go far. Your juju will die here. Your man, where your juju man, every single day in the land of Biafra, draw you close. What you don't know is greater than you. Leave the land of Biafra now that you can, because you will soon beg to leave. You will not see road to take comot. Leave the land of Biafra now while you are still alive. In less than few days from now, you will be begging to leave. You will not see road to leave. Write it down, as we always tell you. I know they hide mouth when they tell you. Let me use pidgin. Carry your body, come out for the land of Biafra now where you dey life. Oh. Because he go soon knock you for head. You go dey beg to come out, you no go see way come out. You go beg for life, you no go see life. You see that thing? You go come out your uniform, act like mad person, so that you go even get way, run, escape. You know, we go see catch you. The people will send you, they don't already book their fighter, their private jet ready to zoom come up, but their own. They go know say, Amadio, I don't they gather thunder for them. We have come here to restore Biafra. And that is the only thing that carry us come this life. You can't stop us. You cannot stop us. You only waste your money where you're supposed to take better the life of your citizen. You only waste life of the idiotic people that follow money because of money. The money they will never live to enjoy. To come and kill their papa, come and kill their mama. Do you think that we will fold our hand and be singing song like Timaya? They don't kill our papa, they don't kill them mama, they don't kill them papa. Oh, that time has gone. This time around is that thing where you cook, you go chop am. That thing where you cook, you must chop am. We no go anywhere, and we will never go anywhere. We cannot go to any inch. We will never. Now our ground be this now. Now our land be this. We cannot leave our land an inch like this. We know they shake. Anywhere where you dey there waiting go pursue you, they come. And I bet you go run like mad person. I bet you will soon run like mad person. How many Amatanga remain now? Your mind was telling you that even with 30 Amatanga, you are you are good to go. You just say now by Amatanga. You see, I've tell you before, you came with 30 Amatanga with many personnel. Do we have any Amatanga here? No. The day where we will collect one from you like this and turn it to be our own, my dear, you see that day? We will not only kill, we will not stop here. We will reach Yoruba land and Hausa land. Mark my word. But among all this your Amatanga that you deploy down to kill the indigenous people for nothing, say how many remain now? How many remain? I tell you, we are waking you every day and day. And where your madness stop, now where we begin. I've told you before. How many remain? How many remain? You think that to carry latest armor tanker where you they use remote they control? Say, this one, we go get them. Come and get your papa. Come and get your mama. Come and get them. Blood no, you be robot. You know, blood no they flow for your body. You know they follow die. Now you be God. Where no they die. You be actor now. Your mind no tell you say you get film where actor they die. Carry your actor come out person land. You don't know say you be king now for your own kingdom. You go carry your own king come become king for our kingdom. Where you don't see happen. If you are a king, you are a king for your kingdom. Remain in your kingdom and remain your king there. Once you just leave your kingdom, one come to another person's kingdom, and you see one to become king in another person's kingdom, you dey mad. You know if he come be king in our kingdom, this is our land. Now we be the sons and the daughter of this soil. You know if he do us, Bakam. Bakam, you know if he do us. Don't get tired. Don't get tired. Remember, you say one more.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, as una don hear am, na so we say we bring am come give una more na know wetin dey go on for inside that area. No be small thing o, you know say as we dey talk am say if you dey go person house wan go beat am, make you dey look around o, because if you be say e dey one corner carry okpiri as you enter e go knack you for head. Na wetin dey happen for that area, because the people wey you wan go fight na their area dem dey, so they know their way out. You know that animal wey dem dey call ewi dey go hole, you go get another hole. In case of you from here, sometimes they get reserve, you go from the other side run. So na so e be. However, this is a very simple something, and Nigeria want to show say they be giant of Africa. Na so they go lose Africa water cup. They no carry even grammar, they no carry na hunger. Now they can't carry come back. So as we dey talk, you know say they want to say giant of Africa. This is a simple something. Give Biafra people referendum conducted by UN and see if na people wey dey talk say they wan comot dey many or they no many. If na many people, then let them go in peace. Because this war no be that war wey they fight that time wey be say Britain dey help them. This one, any country wey genocide in Biafra land again, e no go be like before. The Biafrans living there will ask them question and they have to answer us. So this is the one thing Nigeria have to understand. There's no need for going to another war. But since you people have chosen it this way, if I like, you will lose. You are going to lose in big time. You are going to lose. So Nigeria, anybody who is advising you people to go to east and start violence, why you go to north to make peace with your bandits, with your Boko Haram, with you go there to make peace, but you choose to come to east with violence. Let me tell you people one thing, you will not succeed. You can't succeed. My people, I beg, may you still drop your own opinion for inside comment section, and make sure say you share this video so that other people will get information of wetin dey happen for our land. Thank you.